Hi, and welcome to a new episode of VR Fun on Gamers, the channel that shows you that VR is just more video games. And today, we're gonna play Pinball by using the application Pinball FX2 VR. So, welcome to Pinball FX2 VR. So, here we are in a very nice apartment. Let me show you the thing. And here you start with basically choosing one of the pinball machine. So let's pick one to show you how it looks. So here we are in front of the pinball machine. Now I'm sitting down, so the pinball is pretty low. So now let's start a new game. So most of the time I stand up and then I press like a reset button. So basically you're in virtual reality and you have a real pinball in front of you. You can always reset it. You can look on the side, you can go inside. You basically use a trigger for it. And you're also in an environment that corresponds with the same theme as the pinball you're in. So here, for example, I'm on Mars. So let's not wait and let's play. One of the advantages of having a virtual pinball is that this has effects that you wouldn't see in a normal pinball. The physics are really good, the graphics are stunning. You see, for example, you wouldn't see this on a real pinball machine. And then you have to accomplish different missions. Like here I have to go to all the red dots that disappear. And so on and so on. Of course, I won't play everything, that can take a while, but then you can choose from different thema of pinball. And you can also buy some extra pinball machine for it. So yeah, my impression is it's look really good. It was one of the first applications that I bought with my Oculus Rift, and I was thinking this look really like a pinball machine, having a real pinball machine at home. And then I realized that I would spend quite some time in virtual reality, because this really looks like reality. The graphics are stunning, the physics look almost perfect. Of course, you don't really touch the pinball, and that's only this very small difference, but with the trigger or with the Xbox controller, it's quite close of it. So, Pinball FX2 VR against a real pinball machine. With Pinball FX2 VR, it takes much less space than having one or several pinball machines in your living room. You can also have very easily multiple kind of tables. And sometimes also what's happened is just you have impossible kind of physics. On the other side, with a real pinball machine, you will have haptic. With your left hand, you can play with the tilt, for example. You can have other people also coming and watch you. And of course, it's 100% based on mechanics. So no special effects here. But on the other side, Pinball FX2 with 3 tables will cost you like $15, and you can also pay for some extra tables. And if you really want the same quality of table using a real pinball machine, you can easily come to $8,000 per table. So for me, Pinball FX2 VR feels really real. That's the first thing that I saw in virtual reality that I say, wow, this really looks like the real thing, like I'm really playing pinball. So I would totally recommend it, of course, if you like pinball in real life. It's an amazing thing. Thank you for watching, and see you at the next episode of VR for Non-Gamers. Bye!